baby. She's a little bitty one, like her. She just went over the bucket.
Yeah.
Hit first.
And stayed that way?
She drowned.
Oh.
We never leave them alone when leaving with little water like that.
Oh my gosh, baby's choking.
She's eating grass.
There she
Look what
goes.
she's doing. Gonna go for the water, right?
Yep.
I guess we can fill it up.
She's like, no.
Later for you.
Man, we got a bunch of whiteys over here.
Yep.
She's all, let me get in. There goes Judy.
All right,
Whoop.
Judy, go!
And the dogs, we put them inside.
Again? Let's go. Yeah? Again? Let's go again. Let's wait for Carla. Ah! She's all... Carla, you want me to hold my hand? You want me to hold my hand?
Yeah, all right, uh-huh.
You're cut off, dude. Oh my God.
Jesus Christ.
Where's she going?
It's the sun.
Whoa,
Hey, dude, no. This is...
that thing can't get wet, dude. It's the camera.
Did he get water on it?
Did he?
A little bit over here.
Let's wait a little bit longer.
I think your shoulder's getting red over there.
Probably is. It won't take long.
I got some sunblock.
She needs color. There's Grandpa. There's Uncle Bubba. And there's Cash and Sadie. There's Koa. There she is. Looks so cute. Oh, whoop, whoop. There she comes. Watch the holes, baby.
Cash.
Sadie's butthole. Oh,
Stuck in the hole? Again.
there goes Jude.
Yeah?
Cosmo, what do you... Oh.
How about
Look, she's backing up
Oh
on the
my
hole.
god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. What is she doing? Oh my god. Oh my god. She's like, okay, I got him out. Here I go.
Hey! Whoa!
Cash, get away from the baby. No. Tell him no. Tell him no. No.
She likes Sadie. Sadie doesn't get all in her face and
Well, the puppy,
tongue her.
the puppy nose butts.
Hey, get Koa. Wait, is that hot? Is that hot?
What?
Concrete isn't hot.
No, that area, yeah.
Nah.
It's kind of warm right
Yeah, don't let her touch that. That's hot.
No matter eat the ice either. Dogs have been licking that stuff.
Go, Jude, go. She's probably thirsty. Caleb, here, you want to give her drink? Some water? And some water?
Good thing I mowed, huh?
Yeah, for sure. She didn't even get any. No, dude. Here,
wanna
can
go
you...
swimming, Caleb? There's a big pool over there.
I did want to take him.
He doesn't have. He forgot
my
his
board
board
How y'all
shorts.
want to come swimming? Y'all want to bring your shit to come swimming?
Well, I knew I wasn't gonna be able to, but
was-
he forgot his.
Where are you going, little one?
I was
Cosmo
gonna
had
take-
his.
I was gonna take you on a 5-mile dam.
That would have been awesome.
It's like 10 minutes from here. It's like the cool. I just showed Dad the place.
It's nice.
It's awesome.
I mean, we can go and hang out, but I can't get in the water right now.
It's a cement slab across.
There's no sharks in there. It's a river.
It's a cement slab across the river, and there's people all over there, mostly Mexicans.
They're reminiscing about when they made their escape.
She won't drink out of a cup. He refuses. She will.